Hello guys, I know it's a short video but I do it to say I got dice 1 and 5 rolls later I got dice 2 and oh my god, in range 5. This is so many trains. This is so rare to get dice 1 and dice 2. This is a very small chance, and I am too excited because now I can get so much money. I do a video how I get this man over here, and this video it's a short. I do it only to say to you I get dice 2 and dice 1. This is very rare chance, and see you guys in the next video.